In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make over $20 every 15 minutes without actually having to sell anything. Not only you don't have to sell anything for this to work, you don't have to invest a single dollar of your own money to actually make profit with this method. And all you have to do is just follow this video through, because I'm going to show you how to set this up in less than 10 minutes. And once you set this up, you will start making $20 every 15 minutes on complete autopilot. And the best part about this method is that once you set this up once, you will know how to do this, and you can actually set it up multiple times, and that way you can multiply your results greatly. But before I show you the method and how to actually do it, I'd like to kindly ask you to show support for this channel, and you can do that by pressing the like button on this video, and also to stay tuned for more money making content. Just subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell, so as soon as I release a brand new money making video, you'll get notified immediately and you get to watch it right away. And now just let's get started with the method. Now first of all, head over to CPAGrip.com. This is a CPA marketplace. We don't have to actually sell anything to make money with this method, but we need something to make money with. For that, head over to CPA Grip, and this is my favorite CPA network, because for all the new people out there, when you're going to register for your free account, you don't have to wait for an approval. All you have to do is just fill in all these details right here, and the only important part, in this publisher type, select website or GPT, and you will get approved almost immediately. Once you're signed up for your account, just log in, and once you're in your account, go to the monetization tools right here and go to URL/file lockers. Now click on create a new locker, and then just go ahead and read all these terms that are right here, then just agree and click on continue, and this is how it's going to look like. Now we are going to create a content locker behind which we are going to put a website, but we need actually something to make people want to watch it. And for that, I'm going to show you a great source of material. Just simply go to YouTube, and what you want to do is search for funny animal videos. Now this type of videos works best for this method, because actually people never go to YouTube to watch these videos intentionally, but once they are offered a chance to see any of these clickbaity thumbnails, there's a good chance they're going to want to watch it. So just go ahead and look for funny animal videos, and to get the most clickbaity and interesting videos, I'm going to show you a small shortcut. Just go up here into the filters, and what you want to do is filter by view count right here. Just click on view count, and you will get shown the most interesting and clickbaity videos with funny animals that you can find on YouTube. So just scroll through this and find the one that looks most clickbaity to you. You can see all these cute animals right here, but you don't want to go for any of those. What you want to do is go for something like, for example, something like this bull attacking a car, or this dog being eaten by a toy octopus. Now once you select the video that you want to go with, simply just click on it, and you want to select copy link address. Now we need to get the thumbnail of this video. To do that, just simply go to Google and look for thumbnail grabber. Search for thumbnail grabber and go for any of these, but I like to use this one right at the top. Just paste the URL to video right here, and it's going to grab the thumbnail for you. And you want to actually scroll down and look for a thumbnail that doesn't have these black bars around it. Now once you save it to your computer, we are going to do a little clever editing on this thumbnail. Just head over to canva.com, click on upload right here, and you want to upload the image you have downloaded as a thumbnail. Just click on choose files, upload it to Canva, click on use in a design right here. It's going to open up in this editor, and you want to select use in a design right here, and it's going to put you into standard Canva editor. Now there's just a couple of small edits you want to do here. Just go to templates right here at the side and look for red circle. Now we want to select one that's not paid. For example, this one looks good. Just select that one, place it to the image, and what you want to do is actually place it somewhere that's going to catch the attention of the audience. For example, stretch it and place it something like here, so it's going to imply there's something interesting going on in this image. Now once you do that, just go back to elements again and look for red arrow and choose any of these designs that you want. For example, I like this one. I'm going to place it on the canvas. I'm going to turn it so it's pointing to the circle, and also go ahead and stretch it so it looks larger, something like this. So it's actually going to draw attention towards the red circle that we placed in earlier. Now the last part you need to do is go again to elements, look for play button, but don't choose this one because it looks kind of thin. Just scroll a bit to the right and choose either of these thicker buttons. Place it on the image and stretch it all across the image so it looks like a thumbnail to a real video, and actually change its color to something that's going to stand out against the background. For example, in this case, I could go with blue, so it's going to stand out against the background. Once you do this, the image is pretty much completed, so just go ahead and click on share and download it to your computer as a PNG. Just click on download, and it's going to get saved to your computer. Now for the next part, just head over to Google and look for Google Sites. Go to Google Sites and click on create a blank site right here. Just go ahead and get rid of all these elements that are already in here, and now we want to upload the image from Canva. To do that, just go to images and click on upload. Select the image you downloaded from Canva, place it right in the center, and you want to stretch it so it's covering the most of this page, something like this, and also go ahead and make it wider so it's going to cover the most of this page. Now just go ahead and place the text box right above the image, and you want to write a title that's describing what's going on in the image, and also it needs to be clickbaity. So in my case, for this particular image, I'm going to write something like this. The octopus is hungry. Did the dog survive this unfair encounter? That's describing very well what's going on in the image, and it's also clickbaity. Now you need to just customize this title so it's going to be larger. For example, let's make it like 48 size, square it to the center, and also change the color to something like red, underscore it, and now it looks like a proper title. So basically this is what the site is going to look like. What you need to do next is go to CPA Grip and create a URL file locker. Now the best way to do that is create something that looks like a captcha locker. To do that, just go to templates and scroll a little bit down and select this captcha locker right here that we all know from other websites, because this is very familiar. People are not going to have problem clicking it. So just select this template, go back to this section, and what you want to do is change this title up here so it says something like this. To watch the full video, complete the captcha below. And what you want to do is go back to the thumbnail grabber or to YouTube, get the link to the video that you have downloaded the thumbnail from, and paste it into the locked URL right here. So once somebody completes the captcha, they will be taken to the video with the funny animals in it. Once you paste the URL into this section, it's pretty much done. All you need to do is just click on save right here, and just like that you have created your very own URL locker that is right here. All you need to do now is just go to this section, select get links, and you want to copy this link to your URL locker. Just click on copy link, then go back to Google Sites, click on this image, and right here in this link section, just paste the link to the URL locker and click on apply. That way once you get traffic to this site, somebody's going to see this thumbnail, they will want to play this video, they will click on it, and they will be taken to the URL locker. And once they completed, you're going to make money. Now to actually increase the chance of somebody completing the captcha, what you want to do is click on this blank page right below the image, click on embed, and you want to select URL. Just paste your link once again, and when it's going to load up, just click on insert, and you can see the captcha gets posted into the Google site itself. So for those who will not be clicking this image, they will see this captcha right here, and they will immediately associate it with the video, so they will be able to play the video once they're complete the captcha, and because it's right below the image, they're going to click on it right away. Now just resize this a little bit so it fits right below this image, something like this, so you can see the full text, but also don't make it too large. Once you do that, the Google site is pretty much finished. What you need to do next is click on publish and choose a name for this website. Now I'm just going to type something in for the sake of this video, but you can put literally anything in there. So just choose your name for the website and click on publish, and if you want to view your site, just click right here and select view publish site, and it's going to look something like this: the title, the thumbnail to the video, and the captcha locker. All we need to do now to make money with this is just drive traffic to this site, and one of the best ways to do that is simply go to Twitter, share the website in a tweet, and you need to put an interesting title in there. For example, go with something like this: just stumble upon the funniest animal video ever. Watch this octopus try to eat a dog. Now to actually make this tweet reach the most amount of people, what you want to do is go to Google and look for, and all we need to do now is just put in the right hashtags so this tweet will reach the most amount of people. To do that, just go to Google and look for trending Twitter hashtags and go to this website right here, and right here you can see the top trending Twitter hashtags right now at this time. You may get different hashtags when you're doing this method, but what you want to do is just go ahead and copy a couple of these hashtags, put them in the tweet. It doesn't even matter that the hashtags have nothing to do with the video, but because they are most trending at the time, they're going to bring the most amount of attention to your tweet, and that's exactly what you want for this method. So just go ahead and copy some of these and paste them into the tweet, something like this. Let's get one more, for example, Tommy Paul. Let's copy that one, go back to tweet. And all you really need to do now is just tweet this out into the world, put in the right hashtags, and it's going to start driving traffic to your website. And once you get enough traffic to your website, people are going to want to watch this video, and they will see this content locker right here, they will click on it, and that's how you get paid with this. Now to actually scale this method up, just create a bunch of these Google sites with different thumbnails, go to CPA Grip, create multiple of these content lockers, lock the sites behind the content locker, and post it to Twitter as a tweet. You'll start getting traffic to your Google sites, and after some time, after tweet gets the traction, you will get traffic to your sites, and all the money will start coming in. And that's pretty much it, guys. Now just go ahead, put this to work, and once you make some money with this, return to this video and do let me know down in the comments how much money you have made using this. And if you enjoyed this method, please also make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel to stay tuned for more content. And if you want to see yet another cool money making video, check out this one, and I'm going to see you next time.